Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into MotherDuck, the cloud service built on top of DuckDB that extends its capabilities beyond your local machine. If you've been using DuckDB for analytical queries and found yourself wishing you could handle even larger datasets or collaborate more easily with team members, then MotherDuck might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of creating a MotherDuck account, setting it up, and exploring some of the powerful ways you can use it to enhance your data analysis workflow. Let's get started. First, what exactly is MotherDuck? Simply put, MotherDuck is a cloud service that extends DuckDB, giving you the ability to process larger data sets and collaborate with others, while maintaining the same familiar interface and functionality you already know from DuckDB. It's like DuckDB, but with superpowers. Let's start by creating an account. Open your web browser and search for MotherDuck on Google and navigate to motherduck.com. Once there, you'll see a prominent Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on that to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with a few options for signing up. You can create an account using your Google credentials, your GitHub account, or a traditional email and password combination. Choose whichever method you prefer. I'm going to go with the email option for this demonstration. Fill in your details, ASAS, email address, password, and any other required information. Or you can continue with Google. Let's click on the Continue with Google. Choose any of the email of yours and click on Continue. You'll likely need to verify your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox. So be sure to use an email account you have access to. On the next screen, we need to fill the name of our account, where we have first name or last name, and name of the origination which we want to choose. Now click on Continue and View. Any another questions which MotherDuck like? Where we want to apply the MotherDuck with, in our use case. Once you've verified your email and logged in, you'll be taken to the MotherDuck dashboard. This is your command center for managing your MotherDuck resources, including databases, connections, and usage statistics. Now, when we are on the dashboard, we can apply our changes. Let's explore the dashboard once. On the left side, we have attached database and another databases which we will create will only be visible in the left panel. We will try to create the new database as in the first cell of MotherDuck. We can write this query as create database sales. It's a simple query, and we have seen this query many times. Please click on the Run icon on the left side of the cell. Sales database is visible on the left panel. We will be using the sales database on MotherDuck in next upcoming videos. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.